Today, we're diving into a head-to-head matchup between two very different headphones, the tried-and-true Sony WH-1000XM6 and the bold newcomer Nothing Headphone 1. On one side, you have Sony's 6th-generation refinement of an already beloved series. On the other hand, a striking debut from Nothing, a company known for shaking things up with bold design choices. One aims for polish, the other leans into personality. But can Nothing's first foray into over-ear ANC headphones hold its own against Sony's veteran presence? Let's find out by comparing design, sound, features, and more. Let's start with aesthetics and comfort. Nothing has never played it safe when it comes to design, and the Headphone 1 follows suit. With its transparent outer shell and subtle nods to retro tech, it's an eye-catching, polarizing design. Either you're into it or you're not. Beyond looks, though, it's built solidly with a blend of metal and plastic and weighs 329 grams. It feels sturdy and sits comfortably thanks to well-padded ear cups and a flexible headband. The downside? No folding hinges. That means a chunkier case and a zipper that many users already find annoying. Sony, by contrast, keeps things clean and classic. The WH-1000XM6 doesn't scream for attention, it just delivers. At 254 grams, it's noticeably lighter, with super soft vegan leather cushions and a flexible, durable headband. More importantly, the XM6 folds up for easy packing, and the redesigned case uses a slick magnetic buckle instead of a zipper. A small change, but a welcome one for daily convenience. Winner in design, practicality, and comfort? Sony. Now here's where philosophies split. Nothing has opted for a full set of physical controls. There's a rotating crown that handles volume, play pause, and noise control modes. A second paddle switch lets you skip tracks and rewind. These buttons are tactile, reliable, and easy to use, even blindly. It's a refreshing alternative to the all-too-common touch gestures that often miss the mark. Sony's approach sticks to touch-sensitive panels. Swipe to change volume or skip tracks, tap to pause. It's sleek and mostly responsive, but still occasionally frustrating due to missed or accidental inputs. Sony has made small improvements, like a more tactile power button, but the experience isn't as foolproof as physical controls. If you prefer buttons you can actually feel, Nothing wins here. If you're used to or like touch interfaces, Sony still holds its own. Out of the box, Sony WH-1000XM6 shines. Its new 30mm drivers pump out rich bass, crystal clear mids, and crisp highs. The low end especially is more pronounced than in previous models. Great news for fans of EDM, hip-hop, or cinematic scores. Plus, Sony's app offers customizable EQ and smart audio profiles like Cinema Mode to tailor the sound further. Nothing Headphone 1, tuned in collaboration with KEF, brings decent sound by default, though it can sound a bit muddy in the bass and slightly muted in the upper mids. But it features a full parametric EQ in the app, which is rare at this price. And here's the kicker. Your custom EQ settings are saved directly to the headphones. With a bit of tweaking, the sound can go from okay to outstanding. If you want excellent audio without any fiddling, go Sony. If you love tuning your sound just the way you like it, Nothing gives you the tools to do exactly that. When it comes to blocking out the world, Sony's still king. With 12 mics and its latest CN3 chip, the XM6 offers top-tier active noise cancellation, virtually silencing everything from AC hum to airplane engines. Its improved transparency mode also makes ambient sounds and voices come through naturally, rivaling even the AirPods Max. Nothing's ANC is solid, but clearly a step behind Sony. It handles steady background noise well, but struggles more with inconsistent or mid-range sounds. Its transparency mode works, but isn't as refined. Voices can sound overly loud or unnatural. If ANC is your priority, Sony continues to dominate. Both headphones bring strong battery performance, but with some slight trade-offs. Nothing offers a massive 80 hours with ANC off and 35 with it on. Plus, you get LDAC support, USB audio, water resistance, IP52, and reliable multi-device pairing. Not bad at all. Sony delivers 30 hours with ANC on and 40 with it off. It also supports LDAC, fast multi-device switching, and super fast charging, 3 hours of playtime from just 3 minutes plugged in. Plus features like wear detection, auto pause when removed, and Auracast readiness add future-proofing. Both headphones perform well here, but Sony's extras and charging speed give it a slight edge. Now here's where the decision gets real. Sony WH-1000XM6, $449. A premium price for a premium product. Class-leading ANC, rich sound, refined design, and robust features. It's expensive, but you get what you pay for. On the other hand, Nothing Headphone 1, $299. At $150 less, it's delivering a lot. Bold design, strong physical controls, customizable audio, and long battery life. Sure, you sacrifice a bit on ANC and polish, but it's a great value, especially if you like to tweak your experience. If you want the most refined, no-compromise experience with the best ANC, polished sound, comfort, and premium extras, Sony WH-1000XM6 remains the go-to. It's the full package and then some. But if you're looking for something different, something stylish, customizable, and budget-conscious, Nothing Headphone 1 is an impressive debut. It doesn't beat Sony across the board, but it makes a compelling case for itself, especially for users who value tactile controls and unique design. Your move. Will you go with the trusted Titan or take a chance on the transparent Trailblazer? Let us know your pick in the comments, and we'll catch you in the next one.